guys, many of you are going for long rides, and many of you do a lot of off-road riding, on-road riding. So this is like more like to get information out of them. So it's a good time to ask them questions, and these guys are like the best here. So just make it interactive. You guys ask them and talk to them too. So
does everybody have cadence meters on their bikes?
Cadence, good question. Cadence is basically RPM of your leg.
How many times?
Cadence only, I think we can say 2-3 times. But that's okay. Irrespective of, I mean, you can at least have a speedometer.
Okay, no, I see
so as a benchmark,
you have cadence.
I have a cadence.
He has cadence.
As a benchmark, when you start a ride, for minimum of half an hour, don't go into the big ring in the front.
Never.
Yeah, don't go on the biggest ring.
Keep on the smaller ring.
Yeah, at least for half
At least
an
half
hour.
an hour.
Okay, you can go whatever rings at the back. Okay, that's the time you get really warmed up because your body is not warmed up.
And for a long ride, the best recuperating RPM is 90 RPM.
90.
Okay. So keep the cadence a little high.
Don't have to see the
Don't
speed.
keep grinding.
Samim,
So you
it
burn
would
out.
be good if you can show what 90 RPM looks like.
No, it won't.
No, the reason
While I'm riding.
reason I'm saying
Yeah, it's a good idea. No.
a lot of guys don't know what it looks like. You don't have a cadence meter.
Lower gear only.
Guys,
Yeah.
can I make a request, please?
See, I'll tell you what.
Can I make a request, please? Since we have mix of riders, can we have all the road bikers talk to Venkatesh and Shamim, and Sriram and Nelly could talk to the mountain bikers, because there is a big chunk of mountain bikers who are also coming along.
No, but this
You
is
guys
a
have-
road
No,
ride.
this is-
No, but road ride they are doing it on a mountain bike.
It's for the TFN guys also, right?
same theory. roughly.
But it's the
the
same
same
thing.
theory.
So
Correct.
I guess everybody should know this.
Similarly, yeah.
No, when you want to try it out, like
It's about high RPM. Even mountain bikers have to have an
Exactly.
high RPM.
Alright, so let's do one thing. Form two groups as like mountain bikers will stick with mountain bikers. I mean, try and form a formation like what we are trying to do.
Acha.
Okay,
Once all
we'll
of-
inspect. We are there next to them. Okay.
Now don't follow too closely.
Yeah.
Keep at least a meter gap, because at this speed, pacing is not that important.
Yeah. It's basically just to get the feel of it.
Being in a group is important
See,
here.
it's you'll come to know how it looks.
How it feels.
How it feels. I mean, you'll definitely get a good experience.
Makes a
over
world
here.
of difference.
Okay.
And one more request, after both of these exercises are done, please help the support car so that we'll try to understand how the supporting is done.
Okay.
Just not driving kind of stuff.
Yes.
Hey,
Okay. Support cars have vehicles also here.
All of them.
Who are going to drive? Huh?
Yes.
Oh, good then. That would be nice.
Hey.
Yeah.
question.
Yes.
Since
Food
we'll be
person,
with
keep
traffic,
sufficient food in all
when
the
I go
cars.
on motorbike rides,
Hold on. There's a good
But
question.
another
Here. Hold on a
problem.
sec.
the guy
Guys, hold on a sec.
the guy in the lead and the guy at the back
Water,
Question,
warn
question.
others
whatever
of
it is.
traffic that's coming fast or
Correct.
stuff like that.
Correct. Yeah.
And they basically let the traffic pass and make sure everybody's on the left.
Correct,
And,
correct.
maintain a distance.
Yes.
So
For the guy at the last who just passes on the message, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
all
like
the drivers,
that's
you know,
being
they
comfortable with the group.
And
Exactly.
they have to use the headlight and the blinker.
Very, very.
Compulsory.
Yeah, that has to be there.
on the
That's for
headlight.
road safety and
Fog.
to set a good example
Not
also.
for
Yeah,
fog.
not only, I mean, you can't see sometimes, even in the mornings, 8 o'clock.
Not for the
No,
fog. This
it
is
is-
the rules in the stage races, cycle races. When there's both the headlights and blinkers on, the opposite means any
Yeah.
trucks are there coming. Yeah, something is going on there.
Basically, you're making aware
Visible.
to other vehicles,
Awareness.
and it's the safety
Not for the
purpose,
fog
safety
or
thing
not
also.
other purpose, safety purpose.
In fact, headlights don't work in fog.
No, but
Yeah,
you
fog lamps
kind
work.
of get.
This is not for the fog. This is for the, for
It's
the
alerting
radars
the
they are
guys
coming.
from the
Yeah.
opposite.
So when the support vehicles have the blinkers on, that means something is coming.
Yeah, something.
Correct.
They have it always
Correct.
on, no?
No, blinkers will be on. Support vehicles
Hazard,
blinkers will be
hazard.
always on.
Always. Okay.
They'll be alert.
There'll always be some.
For the whole ride, as long as the support vehicle is supporting the bikes, it will be on. It should be on.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು
Frequency of brakes, as in
In the 150 kilometer
even in the
frequency of brakes we'll try and keep it as low as possible. As in, we'll try and do it in one shot also. Try and do it.
I
It's
suggest
always-
the
Yeah,
first
you also
stop
try
at
your
100
best.
kilometers.
Try your best.
But there's a lunch break as per some.
Yeah, maybe
Of course.
I think one break.
See, it's always.
They do their planning. They think. Yeah.
Yes, there is.
We
going
are
to be
having
a
lunch,
break.
right?
There is. Of course, you
I am
need to be
having
fueled,
lunch.
right?
No, whatever. No, one thing is you don't take too many stops. That way,
Yeah.
you're fooling your body that you are actually very okay, but you have more lactic acid buildup and you have more soreness.
Okay, guys, listen. It's like this. There are support vehicles that go with the groups of riders. Okay, now we have riders of varying ability. We'll find this out on the first day itself. So normally, what will happen towards the mid of the tour is you know your groups. And what will happen is we'll have at least 3-4 support vehicles. So that is the maximum. No, maximum number of groups that we have in between. We'll have a pilot and a sweep definitely. Okay, so what we are looking at doing is the support vehicles will have supplies of dry fruits and water and stuff like that. So you don't really need to stop somewhere and really cool down and all that. You shouldn't be doing that. That's what they are saying. So you keep your rhythm on, you keep your warmth in, and you can go on and on. Only thing is, if you want to stop for food and stuff, lunch is the biggest break you will have in between. You guys can stop in between if you can't take it further anymore. I mean, it's the group dynamics that will work. So like that's what they are trying to show here. The one in front will be taking the brunt of the wind, so the one in back is the most protected. So that's why these guys keep doing that rotation when you're moving. So that's how you also take rest while riding itself. So
we were doing a very quick rotation. Normally we do like 500 meters.
But ideally,
1
you
kilometer.
shouldn't take breaks, is what you're saying.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Ideally, you shouldn't take
The ideal thing to do is every hour you take about
you
your
feel wasted
body weight
after,
worth
like-
of carbohydrates.
Body weight.
75 kilos, you would have 75 grams of carbohydrates every hour. You will be sailing smoothly. You don't have to stop at all.
Okay.
Your entire 150 kilometers you can go without stopping. Is what I'm saying.
Anyhow, they are giving the backpack. Okay, you
Yeah.
keep some fruits and chocolates.
and
And in case you forgot it, you can always pick it up for sure.
And never have just plain water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Electrolytes a must.
Must.
Yeah, otherwise you start cramping. Your salt levels get diluted further.
Further down.
you guys will have Glucon-D, electrol.
Reach
Turn this side and talk.
retake.
No, my face.
Yeah.
Mr. Food,
Satish is my name, by the way. Don't keep calling me food.
everyone's repeating like that, you know.
But I'm the guy on
Everyone is
keep my dear.
No, he'll become more popular. Now he'll become more popular in TFL.
I know. So, see, now, the thing is, questions for regarding food you can ask him because no, he's asking whether what we are going to get.
You have to bring all the.
during
Okay,
ride.
what is the compulsory stuff we need to get? We turn up in a helmet, bike, and flashes.
No, I'll tell you.
That's
See, always think about riding